more tidying up the yard and getting the garden ready for my fairy garden. Welcome to my channel. It's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and today I'm back out in my yard because it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and this is hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And this is a collaboration. Anyone can join in if you wish. And all the other tiny tidiers that are going to be on this week will be in my comments. There will be a list. You just click on it and play it. So today, as you can see, I have my son helping me, and we're pulling that big tarp off all the stuff where I need to get my tools and stuff for doing my yard work. So I'll play a little music and hope you just enjoy watching. I'll move it down a bit that way because I'm going to hook these ones together and then the gate will close. But I hammered these in really hard, so I don't know if it's going to be hard. So you have to break from here. Oh! How about that?
But
We should start it out maybe. We could just do one at a time. Is that going to be hard to dig?
feels like it.
Yeah, even if it's just a little bit like that, that's perfect. Then I can get the weeds out of there. No. We got the fence all moved down just a little bit so it all comes together better. And that didn't take too long. And now Idris, who is my son, well, our son, is going to dig up the dirt with the pitchfork, because this dirt has not been dug up for a long time. We took the grass out last year, and this year we're digging up the dirt with the pitchfork. And right there, I thought there was a rock and realized it's a root, so I'll have to take my saw out there and cut it so I can get the brick put in properly. So now Idris is just going to continue digging up the dirt, and I'm just going to put the bricks back against the fence. Well, now we've got the soil all dug up with the pitchfork. And now we're going to have the task of going through and weeding and breaking up big clumps of dirt so that we can add some fertilizer and some potting soil and stuff into this dirt. At this time, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this content, and give me a big thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to watch the other ladies who are in this tiny collaboration. And here we go, getting on the weeding. Well, I'm getting tired now, so I'm going to stop the reading pretty soon. But first, I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn from the Healthful Home for hosting this Tiny Tidy Tuesday. It always gives me motivation to get something done, and it works fabulous. So, if you like my content, please subscribe. And don't forget about all the other tiny tidiers who are in my playlist, or they're in my comments. And while I'm mentioning comments, feel free to leave me a comment. I'd love to say hello. I've had enough. I'm getting up, and I'm going to go in the house and sit down and have a rest. Good day done.